Today we are going to discuss the very important topic that how to access the sample file in SPSS. I have started with SPSS from the last two lecture series, and meanwhile I got responses or feedback from some of the scholars that yes, they are not having the adequate database, so how they can practice, right? So today lecture I will just discuss that how to access the existing data file in your SPSS for practice purpose, right? So let's have a look. Just open your this window, SPSS software, and click on file, click on open and data, and right, and let's have a look, and go to your default drive, right? So as I am having my default drive is C drive, right? So I will click on this C drive, then looking for the program files as it is x86 version. SPSS is in x86 version, so go to this program file x86, and here you will find like IBM, right? Click on this, then SPSS, then statistics, then right. So it might be possible that this can change, this directory can change, but what you have to do, you have to just go to the program file. Under that you have to go to the SPSS, and in that you have to look for the folder named samples, then English, and now you can access any other file. Let's say that I want to open this bank loan. Yes, now here you can see the file is over here, right? And you can use for practicing, right? You can use it for practice purpose. So please go through these steps and access to this data so that you can have the idea about that how to access this existing database that you get with SPSS, right? So from the next lecture onwards, I will use these files for having hand-on session in SPSS. So thank you students, have a great day ahead.